Hi, I'm Will, and today I'm going to be doing my first home project in my new house here on the Geezer Guide to Better Living. If you follow me, you know that I'm a very artistic person, and making a kitchen blackboard is a great project to start off making my house more into a home that will be something that I can enjoy. To start off, you're going to have to put a lot of coats of paint, of the chalkboard paint, because it doesn't have very good coverage. And this is how it looks at the end. I added some boards at the bottom to put messages and mail. I got my chalk from the trusty old Dollar Tree. If this video inspires you to try this out, hit me in my comments and I will try to view your pictures and your videos. Pinterest helped me out a lot in figuring out what I wanted my design to be. I could have broke out rulers and letter cards to make this chalkboard look perfect, but I think that it will look more homey by freehanding most of my drawings. And here I am putting on the finishing touches to my chalkboard. I made it have a few things that I think that people who view it will get a good laugh off of it. It's hoe cakes of $5, poke and grit, and I got fried bologna sandwiches and mayonnaise sandwiches. And always remember to please tip your server. All served with I got the sides with a side of sarcasm. That's one thing I gotta correct on it. But I think it came out very well. That's it for this video. And make sure you like my video, comment on my video, and subscribe. And if you get a chance, please check out my art website at buildabarber.finearts.com or at Redbubble. I have a lot of art that you can purchase and clothing. And as always, I thank you.